Hi everyone. In this session, we are going to do the fastest way of adding mixed fractions. Like, how do we add mixed fractions in a shortcut and fastest way? We are going to learn in this video. Okay, so let's try some examples. For example, if you have 3 plus 3 plus 4 over 7. How do you add 3 to 4 over 7? This is a proper fraction where numerator is smaller than the denominator. This is a whole number. So how do we do it? The answer is really simple. You will be shocked after knowing that. Whenever you add a whole number to a fraction, it's just 3/4/7. That's your answer. You're done with that. How can you get such a simple answer in just a step? Oh my god. So what you have to do, you have to write the whole number, you have to write the fraction, and that's your answer. Done. But how do you do it when teaches you? You just take the denominator as 1 when you don't have anything, plus 4 over 7. And what do? You make the denominator same by taking the LCM, and the LCM would be just 7. And then how would you make this 1 as equal to 7? You multiply it by 7. The same thing, you multiply it with the numerator. So 3 times 7 gives you 21, and here you just need to multiply by 1 as it's already 7. 7 times 1 gives you 7, so you multiply by 1. 4 times 1 is 4, so you have 21 plus 4 over 7, and then 21 plus 4 is 25 over 7. And how do you convert this back to a mixed number? You do usual divisions, right? So 25 divided by 7, and that gives you 7 times 3 is 21. So we are going to take 7 times 3 as 21. 25 minus 21 gives you 4. And what is the rule of writing a mixed fraction? That's just, the rule is called as QRD. Q is for quotient, that's your quotient. R is for remainder, this is your remainder. And D is for divisor. Or the denominator is always same. So you have the denominator or the divisor as 7, so that's how you write 7. Your remainder, okay, let me write it down here. So that's QRD. In place of Q, I'm going to write the number 3. That's our whole number part. And remainder is 4, so I'm going to write the 4. And D is for divisor or the denominator, which is always same. So 3/4/7 is converted back to a mixed number. This is how you usually do in exams. 3, and then you take the LCD, and then you write down the QRD rule, and then you find the mixed fraction back to 3/4/7. But you can only do it in one step. Just put the whole number and the fraction, and you're done. This is how you can do it. Okay, let's see another example. Instead of doing that whole long procedure, how you can do it. If you have 7 plus 4/8, so your answer is just 7/4/8. You're done. It's as simple as that. You don't have to do long divisions. You don't have to take LCDs, nothing. You are there with the answer. Okay, let's see another example. If you have 11 plus 9 over 10, so what do? 11, the answer is 11, and you just write down the fraction and you're done. That's your answer. So here it was 7/4/8, and here it's 11/9/10. Okay, now let's see. This is only possible when your fraction is a proper fraction. Proper fraction means your numerator should be smaller than the denominator. This is only possible at that time. Okay, let's see subtraction of fractions, like 3 minus 5/8. Now what we will do in this case, we are not going to just write down 3 and then the fraction. We are going to take a number lesser than this, just a number, like one number lesser than 3. That's 2, so we're going to write down 2. And then what is the difference between 8 and 5? 8 minus 5 equals 3. Is that right? So we are going to write this 3 here and the denominator is always same, that's 8. That's your answer. You're done. 2 3 8s. Okay, let's see another question. When you have subtraction of fractions, you have to do this way. Suppose you have 7 minus 2 over 9. So what did you do here? In the first step, you took a number lesser than 3. That means 3 minus 1, you got 2. So here we are going to take a number lesser than 7. That's 7 minus 1, that's equal to 6. So we're going to take 6. And then what is the difference between 9 and 2? 9 minus 2 is 7. So we're going to write that 7, and the denominator is same, 6 7 over 9. You're done. The solution is only in one step. That's it. Okay, let's see another example. For example, if you go on doing with the longest procedure, you'll have to take LCDs and take out and then do the long divisions. Okay, another example. Now how do you add this? 5 1/4 plus 6 6.5. So when you have 5 1/4 plus 6.5, you take the whole number parts separately and then add them together. That's 5 plus 6, and then you have a plus sign in between, and then you add the fractions separately. 1/4 plus 1/2. All right, now what do we do? 5 plus 6 is how much? 5 plus 6 is 11, plus, now here we need to make the denominator same. How can we make the denominator same? This is 4, right? So I can make 2 as 4, right? Only just by multiplying it with 2. And the same thing I'll do it with the numerator, because I'm doing with the denominator to make it equal. So now I have made it equal. That 1/4 plus 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4. I got my LCM. My LCD is 4. How simple. So 11. Now I can just add my numerators directly because my denominators are same. So 2 plus 1 gives me 3. Now we have got a fraction with a whole number. Whole number part is 11, so just write down. Fraction is 3/4, and you're done with your answer. Answer in mixed number. Oh my god, yes. Super amazing. Okay, let's see another example. For example, if you have 17 minus 5 2 over 9. What are we going to do with this? The same method. 17, so we are going to just take, it will be 17 minus 5 minus 2 over 9. Now you will have a doubt, how can we have a minus 2 over 9? Here it's getting multiplied with this. So I'm going to show you in a rough box what's happening. You have 17 minus 5. 5 2 over 9 can be written as 5. You have a minus. It can be written as 5 plus 2 over 9. Yes, then you can join it back, 5 2 over 9. So when you have this minus sign multiplied, you have minus 5, minus into plus, you have minus 2 over 9. This is what is happening. Okay, let's see now. 17 minus 5 will give you 12 minus 2 over 9. And the same procedure, what we are going to do is 12 minus 2 over 9. 12, you take a number lesser than that, that's 11. Okay, so 11. And what's the difference between 9 and 2? 9 minus 2 is 7, so you're going to take 7 over, the denominator is same, and you have your answer. Wow, that's super quick. Amazing. Okay. Let's see one last question, which is truly amazing. I think you all can solve that very easily. Okay, let's see another question. Like, if you have 5 1/6 plus 3 1/4, okay, I'll just have to reduce it. 3 1/4 minus 7 1/2 plus 4 2/3. So how are we going to do this? So take all the whole number parts together. 5 plus 3 minus 7 plus 4. Okay, and then all the fractions together. Plus I'll write down here 1/6 plus 1/4 minus 1/2 plus 2/3. Okay, now we are going to add them all together. 5 plus 3 minus 7 plus 4. So 8 minus 7 plus 4. So we'll just have 5 plus, now take the LCM of all of them. So how do you take the LCM? Just take the least common denominator. So that's 12. So 6 times 2, 4. So you will have 6 times 2, 4 times 3, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. The same thing you have to multiply with the numerators. Now all of them you have as 12s. So 6 times 2 is 12. So you have a numerator of 2. Here you have the numerator of 3 and down 12. Here you have 6 over 12. Here you have 8 over 12. So you have all these fractions. Now 5 plus what? Okay, your denominator is same, so I'm going to write that down. 2 plus 3 is 5. Sorry, you have a minus sign here. You have a minus sign here. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 8 is 7. So you have 5 plus 7 over 12. That gives you the answer directly. 5, 7 over 12s. And you're done. So if at all you like this session, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do leave a comment in the comment box. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.